The 17 coolest vintage cars of all time. Classic cars are more than just vehicles. They are rolling pieces of history, blending art, innovation, and engineering excellence. From American muscle legends to sleek European masterpieces, these 17 vintage cars have left an indelible mark on the automotive world. Whether it's their design, performance, or cultural impact, these cars remain some of the most sought-after collector's items today. 1. 1964 Pontiac GTO, the birth of the muscle car. The '94 Pontiac GTO is widely credited as one of the first muscle cars, paving the way for the high-performance American cars of the 1960s and '70s. Inspired by the Ferrari 250 GTO, this beast packed a 389 cubic inch V8 engine, making it one of the fastest cars in Pontiac's lineup. The GTO's aggressive styling, powerful performance, and undeniable road presence made it an instant classic. 2. 1966 Subaru 360, Japan's Ladybug. Nicknamed the Japanese Beetle, the 1966 Subaru 360 was one of the first K cars to be mass-produced. With its compact size, lightweight body, and air-cooled two-stroke engine, this car was designed for efficiency rather than speed. Despite its small stature, the 360 played a crucial role in introducing Japan's automotive industry to the world. 3. 1984 Mercedes-Benz W123, the definition of durability. The Mercedes-Benz W123 is often called one of the most reliable cars ever built, with many still in use across Africa, the Middle East, and Europe. Known for its timeless design, sturdy build, and luxurious interior, the W123 is as comfortable as it is durable. Many diesel variants of this model have clocked over 500,000 miles, proving its exceptional longevity. 4. 1989 Jaguar XJS, British luxury and power. When Jaguar updated the XJS in 1989, they introduced a V12 engine, making it one of the most powerful luxury coupes of its time. The sleek aerodynamic design set a new standard for British sports cars, and newer models even saw electric vehicle technology integration. The XJS remains a defining model in Jaguar's history and continues to be a sought-after classic. 5. 1967 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, the ultimate muscle car. The Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 was created by Carroll Shelby, taking the already powerful Mustang and giving it even more muscle and aggression. Featuring a 428 cubic inch V8, this beast could push over 350 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful cars of its time. Today, it remains one of the most collectible Mustangs, with some pristine examples selling for over $200,000. 6. 1976 Triumph TR6, the British sports car for America. The Triumph TR6 is a classic British roadster that gained more popularity in America than in the UK. Featuring a 2.5-liter straight-six engine, this car provided an exhilarating driving experience for those who appreciated handling over raw power. Today, it's considered one of the best-value classic European sports cars. 7. 1967 Chevy Impala, the supernatural icon. The 1967 Chevy Impala has become an icon thanks to pop culture, particularly through its role in the TV show Supernatural. Underneath its sleek and long body lies a powerful V8 engine, making it as fast as it is stylish. The Impala has been one of Chevrolet's best-selling nameplates, proving its timeless appeal. 8. 1962 Oldsmobile Starfire, American luxury meets performance. The Oldsmobile Starfire was one of the first American cars to feature a turbocharged V8 engine, setting the stage for future high-performance vehicles. Its convertible roof and luxurious interior made it one of the most elegant cars of its era. Today, it remains a prized collector's item due to its rarity and historical significance. 9. 1963 Corvette Sting Ray, a revolution in American design. The 1963 Corvette Sting Ray was a turning point for Corvette, featuring an all-new aerodynamic design and improved handling. It became the foundation for modern Corvette models, blending style with performance. Today, first-generation Sting Rays are some of the most valuable and collectible Corvettes ever made. 10. 1969 Nissan Datsun 240Z, Japan's answer to American muscle. The Datsun 240Z combined the best of American power with Japanese engineering. It featured a 2.4L inline-six engine, providing a thrilling but smooth ride. This model established Nissan as a major player in the global sports car market. 11. 1975 Volkswagen GTI Mk1, the hot hatch revolution. The Volkswagen GTI Mk1 was one of the first hot hatches, offering an impressive power-to-weight ratio. Its compact size, affordability, and fun driving experience made it an instant hit. The GTI set the standard for small performance cars, influencing an entire segment of vehicles. 12. 1961 Jaguar E-Type, the most beautiful car ever made. Even Enzo Ferrari once called the Jaguar E-Type the most beautiful car ever made. Its long, sleek body and powerful straight-six engine made it one of the most desirable cars in history. It's considered one of the greatest sports cars of all time. 13. 1971 Ford Thunderbird, personal luxury defined. The Ford Thunderbird was designed as a personal luxury coupe rather than a sports car, emphasizing comfort and refinement. Its angular body and unique grille made it a standout in the early 70s. Today, it's one of the most elegant American classic cars. 14. 1969 Volkswagen Beetle, the people's car. The Volkswagen Beetle is one of the most recognizable cars ever made. Its simple, efficient design made it one of the best-selling cars of all time. Many still drive them today, proving their legendary durability. 15. 1970 Chevrolet El Camino, the hybrid muscle truck. The El Camino was Chevrolet's answer to combining a muscle car with a pickup truck. The SS model boasted a 450-horsepower engine, making it a powerhouse on the road. It remains one of the most unique classic cars ever produced. 16. 1957 Mercedes 300 SL Gullwing, the first supercar. The Mercedes 300 SL Gullwings introduced gullwing doors and fuel injection, making it one of the fastest cars of the 1950s. It's considered one of the most important supercars in history. 17. 1983 DeLorean DMC-12, the time machine. The DeLorean DMC-12 became an instant classic thanks to its stainless steel body and gullwing doors. Made famous by Back to the Future, its pop culture status makes it one of the most unique collector cars.